When the first Ferrari left the gates of Maranello in 1947, it was more than a new car. It was a statement of intent. The beginning of a culture of excellence spanning 75 years, built on craftsmanship, dedication, tradition, and innovation. A heritage built with passion, to be lovingly maintained in its authentic, pristine perfection. A lineage which is continuously reinventing and evolving. Today, just as 75 years ago, every Ferrari that leaves our factory is more than a new car. Each has the innate potential to become a classic, to live on forever.